is up? We have officially entered into June, and we have some serious June gloom going on. We had a decent rain last night. I think the people in my neighborhood recorded 2 3/8 inches. The river mouth down here, the beachy is full. Can't see it with the GoPro, but there's a few of them still left. The safari charters boys have been out here all morning trying to dig it out, get it going, get rid of some of this water. It's stinky, man. I'm gonna try to trek over there in a minute and check it out, but it's a big nasty lagoon kind of blocking me at the moment. I'm gonna have to strategically work my way down the beach and get around it. But yes, back to the June gloom. We had a small tropical, here we call it tropical onda, like a tropical wave, I guess. It's not enough to register in the National Hurricane Center webpage of an actual tropical disturbance, but it was significant enough to register in the Nicaraguan news. Yes, a small onda tropical, tropical wave came up from the Caribbean side, poured down rain all over Nicaragua. I think other parts got way more than we did. And that kind of looks like that's gonna be our weather pattern for this week. Gloomy, onshore, rainy, and that's why we love June. Hey! Yo, what's up, buddy? How you doing?
Yeah, get going.
Oh, what's up, buddy? How you doing, man?
Good to see ya.
I was wondering when I finally see you.
I was like, oh, they're digging it out.
Oh, wow. Since we've been going running some errands, that river blew out. Good job, Safari Charters. You guys did a great job. Wow. I need my iPhone to get a real video. Can't really see it with this thing. No, I don't got time now. We're here. Casa Ola Popoyo. We're picking up Diana again. She's back. How you doing? Woo! We're going to play and have some fun in the ocean. We'll go check out that river situation later. Yeah, get a closer look. We got an extra minute here. Run over. Wow, this thing was about 3 foot wide when I left earlier. Whew, now it's about 40 foot wide. Oh man, it is flowing. Yeah. This morning, all this was full. Like as far as there was just water everywhere this morning. And now it's all concentrated right here, emptying out. Hopefully sandbars are forming way out there at our peak. Oh yeah.
Everybody's got their cameras ready.
Have you ever had it before? Miren, yo no soy profesional.
Buen catch a...
Woo, sushi.
All right, we are here bright and early. Tola Sunset's picking up our new box for the GoPro. I've been using the floaty, normal like you're supposed to with these things, but the last 2 days water has somehow started getting in here. Luckily we were able to get out and save it in time. Still working. We're picking up the box. We're gonna be safe, not sorry. And we're heading back to the beach, man. We got our last day with Diana, and then we have a special group. George and a bunch of the boys are showing up today, bringing me a new board. We're gonna be on this week. These boys are gonna have me in the water 24/7, just ripping. I love it. Living it, loving it at ADL 505. Woo.
Up, big dog.
Yoo! What's up? Yeah, buddy, what's up? Oh, good to see you again.
Yeah, man, good to see you.
Stoked.
Yeah.
Glad when your mom wrote me and said you were on the trip.
Yeah, yes,
Like,
sir.
Epic, dude, epic.
It's pumping.
I know that George shot me that video. Y'all sent him with that left spitter.
Yeah. Take a video of this. Oh my god.
Oh!
Oh my god.
I was like, what? Have y'all surfed already?
Yeah, we already surfed, but we got to do the car and then we're gonna paddle right back out.
Ryan's Mr. Responsible Guy.
What up? Stoked, man. Good seeing you.
What's up? What's up?
Waves are fun.
I know that video y'all sent George. What's up, buddy? Yeah. What's up, man? Yeah, dude.
Broke my board like first wave.
No way.
Yeah.
Already a casualty.
I know.
Dude, that video I sent George, that left spitter was insane looking.
We just watched one that spit like twice as much.
Is that what you were trying to surf, that left?
Yeah.
Alright, break your board.
Sick. I buckled it.
Dude, well, man, I'm starting to see you ripping now.
Thank you.
I'm following you on Instagram all these
thanks,
years, man.
dude.
You're killing it, dude. Stoked for you.
I'm so glad to be back. Can't wait.
Yeah, I'm glad all y'all are. You.
Hey.
George Kinley. You made it. What's up, buddy?
What's happening?
How we doing?
Good. Here, keep it filming. I got you something.
Keep it filming, keep it filming. We got something, we got something.
Just a little sleepy. Haven't slept in a day.
Oh, shoot. Chris's new ripstick. Thank you, George. Oh.
Check her out. Hopefully you like her.
Yes, yes. Chaperone and surf guy George Kinley.
That's right. Where do you want me to take you, Chris? I know this place. It's,
I don't know. This is a nice truck, man.
Beginner's Bay. That's where we're going today. What do you think? Am I gonna be all right like this? I got more boards going in.
What do we got here? What do we got here? Oh man, bummer. Had a casualty. But birds are eating good. All right. Well, George and the boys have made it into town, like you have seen. Got my new surfboard. Stoke it! Thank you, George. And we got the case to put the GoPro in to safely go in the water, because the last 2 sessions somehow water has been leaking into this thing. I'm not able to just use the floaty waterproof camera like supposed to. The point I'm trying to get to at the moment is I did not think of having to order the float for the Kaha, the box. Also, I just assumed maybe it came with it, so I have no float for it, so I can't really properly use it the way I do at the moment. And we're not gonna risk taking this camera into the water again. 3rd time might not be a charm. We're in the jungle. We have no way to document the session, but there's swell, little funk to it from the onshores in the rain last night, but looking super rippable. I mean, East Coast style fully. That's what these boys are used to. Young little rippers. We're getting out there, we're styling, we're stoking. We might not have any surf footage from this session, but living it, loving it. ADL, baby, file. Actually, get her done, make it happen. George brought down his iPhone. See if we can get some iPhone clips. They might not be the greatest, but they'll work for the moment, right? Yeah, stoking. Got some clips of the boys out there ripping, making it look real good. Hopefully the clips look somewhat good. And yeah, I'm about to wax up this real good looking new ripstick. Finally get out there and try to get some myself before the tide gets too low or the wind switches or whatever. Or maybe it just gets better. Let's bring the magic, dog.
A perfect 10. A 10 from every one of the 5 judges. John Florence scores that perfect 10.
Perfectly executed alley-oop, not only with the placement, with the integration of the other maneuvers afterwards too. Just ridiculous stuff from the 2-time world champion.
All right. So we're just getting her done. We got to get these clips for the video, man. So we have no float like I was saying, but we have it hooked up to nice mouthpiece. Got my leash. Man, that should do the job. Got my leash, keep my mouth. Don't lose it. Hopefully get some clips of the boys. We at the reef. It's big, it's onshore. I'm about to go blast some stuff. Woo! All right, this is it. Woo.
Better come in on that one to eat your hamburger. Need more wax.
La bomba! Woo! That was the bomba!
Good exercise. Christian, you want my board? Here you go, bro. Exercise. Well, this board's gonna sleep here.
Oh, what happened, bro?
I zigged when I should have zagged.
That was a bomb set.
Yeah. I was just scratching. You think the guy down the street can fix it? Look at that. It's a string on the outside.
That's pretty toast.
Is that new? We can
Bring
tape
it
it back together.
Yeah, duct tape. Let her up, boys. What's it looking like out there, man?
On.
It's still got the sides, not as big as last time. It looks really good.
I love everything looks good to Leo, man. He's just always frothy.
That's right. It's always good.
It's always pumping to Leo. I love it.
Gotta love it, man. I'm trying to get barreled.
All right, well, scratch that plan for this morning. There must have been some rain inland last night. It's flowing. We have one of the guys from the other side walking just now. He said it is deep in parts, bumpy, and the current is flowing very, very hard. So yes, the reward is not worth the risk today. We're gonna backtrack and find a plan B. Everything's flowing this morning. Whoa. Oh, the sun is finally coming out. Ta-da! I guess it rained a lot last night, more than I thought, like I was saying earlier. Plans changed. Plan B became the reef again. It's big, it's bumpy. Just gonna get out there and get wet, pal around, get some exercise, wake up, and see if we can bump ourselves into one of these bombs, all right? Woo. Well, this is the river that we could not pass this morning, and it definitely blew out if it was not already blown out. And we have chocolate. Chocolate, I hope you like chocolate, everybody. Alright, so yeah, we're not paddling out. This is nasty. On to plan C. Woo! Or plan D, whatever we're on now. The boys surf check after nap. Look at that. What's the word, boys?
It looks pretty good. It's honestly, I think it looks so fun. I think it looks super fun.
Liam thinks everything's fun. I love it. Everything's frothy for him.
Onshore, kind of slamming. Not a lot of sections.
Actually, there's a lot of sections, but there's not a lot of like perfect ones.
Can you make it to those sections?
Look at that right there. What section's right there?
Oh my god.
Another George board breaker.
Yeah, that was a board breaker.
Look at this one.
It might be high tide. I think it would have destroyed your board. Let's go to tide pools.
Yeah, probably like an hour.
We're about to go to the tide pools.
Alright.
That was in the morning.
Oh man. Oh, let's see that mohawk, George.
What's up, bro?
Yeah, John's just handling sea snakes now, you know, that's what he does.
Yeah,
He's our Steve Irwin in Nicaragua.
he's not gonna make it. I don't think he's gonna make it.